You spend about 1/3 of your life laying and rolling around on it, but how often does this piece of furniture get cleaned? In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly sanitize your mattress. First, remove all sheets and covers. Next, spray your mattress with a solution of 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide and 1 part water. This will help remove odors, disinfect, as well as kill any dust mites on the surface of the mattress. Let the mattress air dry completely, then go over the mattress with your vacuum. Yep, you heard right, a vacuum. We do this about every 2 months, so if you've never vacuumed your mattress before, you'll be surprised what your vacuum is going to pick up. After vacuuming, replace with a new set of sheets and you're all set. Try this today for a better night's sleep. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.